Hi, welcome to Bodhee Prep. And in this video, I will take you through the Quant course and how exactly the Quant course looks and what are the contents of the Quant course. So, if you look at this packet here, this is the Quant course packet. So, this is the verbal, this is the Quant, and this is the LRDI, and this you have the comprehensive packet. So, within the Quant course, as you click here, you will find three different sections or folders. We have the Quant topic tests, we have the online Quant course, and we have the Quant sectional tests. So, how is the arrangement done? You don't go to the topic test straight away, nor to the CAT sectional tests. You first go to the online CAT Quant course. So once you go to the course, you will find that on the left hand side, we have entire table of contents. It's just like a book. For example, if you see here, you will find that it starts with number system, and within the number system you have the first section, that is the number system, consists of theory plus solved examples. So we have introduction to numbers, categories, properties, solved examples, all the different solved examples, divisibility rules, and then all the possible theory part has come in this section, prime factorization, and you can go through lots of things. I mean, everything has been covered with the help of concept and with the help of solved examples. There are different types of solved examples of varying difficulty levels. So once you are done with all the solved examples and the concept, then you go to the number system practice. So once you go to the practice questions, you will find that there are practice problems of different sets, and all these are in the form of videos. So for example, let's say if you take practice set number 4. So if you take 4, you can, it is in the form of a test, but it should not be taken like test. It should be taken as a normal practice problem. So this is like how, this is how it looks. So the questions are given here, and you can solve the questions, you can submit, and once you submit, you will see that it takes you back to the same page. You can go to view solutions, and then you can watch the solution. So explanation, you click, and here you have the explanation as a video coming up here. So this is how the practice problems have been arranged. And again, I repeat, the practice problems are not to be taken like tests, though they are in the form of tests, right? So this is how it all looks, and we have different examples of that. Similarly, as you go below, you will find that there is arithmetic. So again, you have arithmetic solved examples plus concepts, so averages, mixture alligation, and ratio proportion. So this is a video because it's a pure concept, and this is solved example. So again, you have a video. So all the concepts and solved examples directly have videos, whereas the practice problems have the problems first. You solve the problems, and then you watch the video solutions. So that is the sequence and the structure in which the course has been distributed. So this is how you have, and then you go to geometry. So let's say in geometry you have triangles, and then all the different aspects of triangles, and then you have everything covered about triangles, and then you have mass point geometry, then you have circles, common tangents, and then Descartes rule and coordinate geometry, carpet theorem, then coordinate geometry, all quadrilaterals, and then types of quad. So you can look at the exhaustive covering of each and everything: PNC based geometry problems, polygons, mensuration, solid geometry, and then you go to the practice problems. So it's not that there are 37 tests. Basically means each test will have around 5 to 10 questions. So this is the total practice problems with video solution that you find here. So again, you will find that you can take a test. It's You can start the test like this, don't have any kind of timed constraint. You can go to the next question like this, again the next question, and after this you submit the question. So you submit it here again, as you go here, so you submit, and then you come back to the solution part, and this is where you see the video solution. So this is how the practice problems are distributed, and all varieties of questions have been covered here in the practice problem. And after that you have algebra. So you have algebra, linear equations, and then solved example, quadratic, and then equation of higher degree, polynomials, Descartes rule of sign, and laws of indices, logarithms, progressions, functions, and composite function, graphs, transformation, and then you have the practice problem. So this is how the entire thing has been distributed. So everything looks like a book. As you buy a book and you have all the table of contents in a given order, you have to just follow that. And you have, so modern maths, so algebra, practice problem, then you have modern maths. So within modern maths you have fundamental principles, PNC, and then you will find there is set theory inside, so PNC, lots of things, set theory, lots of things, and finally you will have modern maths practice problems, and towards the end you see that there is live session section. Whenever we take a live session, the live sessions are uploaded here, so people who join late or are little ahead, are behind the batch, they can watch the Quant live sessions here. And again, in the live sessions we try to cover the important concepts, the concepts that have not been covered maybe in the course, and we take some sort of quality questions in the live session. So once you watch the live session, before that we suggest that you go through the theory videos and then you come to the live sessions. So watch the theory videos, go through the solved examples, and then watch the live sessions. So that way you will get more from the live sessions. So this is how the entire course has been structured. And once you have gone through 50 to 60% of the practice questions, then you can think of going to the CAT Quant topic tests. So this is the CAT Quant topic tests. Uh, all these questions are in the form of test, and you will see that there are lots and lots of tests. Averages, mixtures, 10 tests. Each test has around 5 to 10 questions. Interest in installments, 10 sets. Percentages, 3 tests are there because not much is there in percentages. Profit and loss, 10 tests. Ratio proportion, 10 tests. Time and work. So you have all these are small tests. Once you have taken the practice questions, you should test whether you are able to solve the questions with the time constraints. And therefore you come to these kind of questions. And this is the second level. So that is gear 1. This is gear 2. So once you come in the second gear, these are the practice questions. You see maxima, minima, functions, linear equations, F progression, inequalities, quadrilaterals, triangles, circle, permutation, probability, set theory. Everything has been covered. Every small topic that comes in CAT has been covered extensively in the practice, in the CAT Quant topic tests. And once you are done with the topic tests, you can go to the sectional tests. And once you come to the sectional test, you will find that there are 10 sectional tests. So you can start like this. And suppose if you take the first sectional test, take a test, start the test, and then you have the questions here. So once you are done with the test, you can submit it here, and then once you have submitted here, you can go and view the solutions. So here we have the solutions given, explanations are given, and that is how you go to each and every question, right? So this is how it all looks, a perfect way, right? Once you have done the sectional test, then you can go to the mock tests. Now the CAT Quant course does not include the mock test because as of now it doesn't include the mock test, but in the future we are planning that we will make the mock test a part of the course. Of course the price will go a little higher in that case, but yes, after the sectional test you can go to the mock tests and you can complete the mock tests. So that is how we have the Quant course distributed, and I hope you enjoyed the video, you got all the information required. Please do join the course. Thank you.